Did you know that an average person comes into contact with over 60,000 types of bacteria each day? Shocking, isn't it? Now, before you start panicking, remember that not all bacteria are harmful, but it certainly puts cleanliness and hygiene into perspective, doesn't it? Welcome to the world of cleanliness and hygiene, where every action matters and every habit can make a difference. In the next few minutes, we'll unravel some useful tips and tricks to help you maintain a cleaner, healthier lifestyle. First, start by washing your hands properly. It sounds simple, but many people don't do it correctly. Use warm water, soap, and scrub for at least 20 seconds. Pay attention to the back of your hands, between your fingers and under your nails. Next, consider your home. Regularly dust and vacuum your spaces. Dust can accumulate quickly, and it's not just unsightly. It can also lead to respiratory issues. A quick dusting and vacuuming session every few days can keep those dust bunnies at bay. Now, let's talk about the kitchen, the heart of every home. Keep your countertops clean and clutter-free. Wipe them down after every meal preparation. Remember to clean your refrigerator regularly too. Old food items can harbor bacteria and lead to unpleasant smells. What about the bathroom? One word: ventilation. A poorly ventilated bathroom can become a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Make sure to leave the door or window open after a shower to let the steam out. And don't forget about your personal items. Clean your phone, keyboard, and other frequently used items regularly. They can harbor more bacteria than a toilet seat. Incorporating these tips into your routine won't just lead to a cleaner, more pleasant living environment. It can also help to improve your health and well-being. But remember, cleanliness and hygiene don't stop at your front door. Be mindful of your actions in public spaces too. Use a tissue or your elbow to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Avoid touching your face, especially in public areas. These practices may seem small, but they can significantly impact your health and the health of those around you. So why not give them a try? Start implementing these cleanliness and hygiene tips today. You might be surprised at the difference they can make. Remember, cleanliness isn't just about appearances, it's about creating a healthier, happier lifestyle for yourself and those around you. So, start today. Make cleanliness and hygiene a priority. You won't regret it. That's all for now. Stay clean, stay healthy,